We've all seen creepy things online, Photoshop nightmares and edited videos, but there's something undeniably unsettling about the disturbing occurrences that sometimes go down on live streams. It's raw, unfiltered, and every so often, things can get shockingly real. I'm talking shadows that shouldn't be there, ghostly figures, and the unspeakable things you wouldn't believe could actually happen live. Ready to be unsettled? Well, I'm Mike with List 25, and here are 25 creepy things caught on live streams. 25. Rubzy's live stream. YouTube star Rubzy isn't known for flirting with the paranormal, but his viewers witnessed something truly scary one fateful night. He decided to live stream his playthrough of the horror game Outlast 2, but to heighten the scares, he chose a location rumored to have a bit of a history. The ominous atmosphere began even before the game. Footage showed Rubzy visibly shaken, his eyes darting around the room, goosebumps erupting across his arms. Then, things took a terrifying turn. A door behind him inexplicably creaked open. Before anyone could react, it slammed shut with a force that seemed to defy physics. Rubzy abruptly ended the stream and fled the apartment, leaving his viewers terrified. 24. The Falun Gong hijackings. In March 2002, a regular evening TV broadcast in heavily censored China turned out to be anything but boring. TV screens across the country went dark, followed by flashes of banners proclaiming Falun Dafa is good. In a daring act of defiance, the outlawed spiritual group Falun Gong hijacked the state television signal in Changchun, China for over 50 minutes. The act of defiance featured footage of Li Hongzhi, the group's spiritual leader, and unfolded against a backdrop of escalating tension. China's annual parliament was in session, and just the day before, foreign supporters of Falun Gong had staged a brief demonstration in Tiananmen Square. In the aftermath, police arrested everyone involved in the hijacking. Hundreds of Falun Gong practitioners were detained, with some receiving prison sentences as long as 20 years. 23. A near-fatal collision. In 2016, KTVU reporter Alex Savage and his cameraman Chip Vaughn narrowly avoided being struck by a car in the San Francisco Bay Area while reporting live on a train derailment. During the live stream, a car was run off the road and careened towards them, but a quick shout from the cameraman and a last-second jump saved the day. 22. A weird interview. In 2012, a political campaign took a bizarre turn when a Senate candidate, Barry Hinckley, decided to enlist his 5-year-old son, Hudson. The campaign ad featuring the adorable Hudson quickly went viral, but things got weird during a live interview on Fox News. While Hudson spoke about the national debt, his father silently mouthed every single word. Their bizarre pantomime left the host visibly shaken. When Hudson, bless his heart, innocently denied being worried about the debt, things got even worse. Cavuto pointed out the obvious discrepancy, which prompted a hurried explanation from Hinckley. The interview ended up becoming a surreal spectacle that left viewers questioning their sanity and Hinckley's judgment. 21. A glass of water. In 2015, a morning news broadcast took an eerie turn on Honduras' Teleciba Primera Edición. While journalist Carlos Molina co-anchored the show, a glass of water inexplicably slid across the table in full view of the viewers. A stunned Carlos stopped the broadcast mid-sentence, pointing at the glass with a look of pure terror. He insisted the table was completely level, and there was no way it could have moved on its own. Theories flew like crazy. Some viewers thought it could have happened because of condensation, while others, especially those who claimed to see a flickering figure on the screens just before it moved, were convinced they saw a ghost. 20. The blue light in New York City. In 2018, New York's entire skyline erupted in an electric blue glow, and several live streams captured the moment. I mean, it sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? 1 minute, it was a normal evening. The next, the city was bathed in an otherworldly light. Panic started to set in as people witnessed the sky pulsating with this eerie blue. The culprit? Not aliens, sorry, conspiracy theorists, but a much more down-to-earth explanation. A massive electrical malfunction. A fire erupted at a substation, causing transformers to explode and unleashing powerful electrical arcs that lit up the night sky. 19. TV Solidarity, September 1985, Poland. In September 1985, astronomers from the University of Torun seized control of Poland's airwaves. Their weapon? A rigged ZX Spectrum computer. As the nation tuned in, expecting their usual evening broadcast, a bold message blazoned the screen. Enough price increases, lies, and repressions. Solidarity Torun. Similar messages infiltrated popular shows throughout the night, but their success was short-lived. Technical difficulties continued to cause interruptions, and they were arrested within hours. 18. The Sunderland Ghost. A sudden moment in sports broadcasting can sometimes be better than the game itself. That's exactly what happened one Monday night in September 2016 when Sky Sports viewers were left spellbound by a ghostly visitor during Monday Night Football. While analysts Jamie Carragher and Phil Neville discussed the Sunderland-Everton match, a figure pushing a lawnmower appeared on the pitch behind them. The unidentified figure materialized twice, then vanished without explanation. Social media went nuts. Everyone was talking about the ghost haunting the stadium, and people are still waiting to spot the Sunderland Ghost again. 17. The Flemish Secession hoax. You know how Orson Welles' infamous radio broadcast, The War of the Worlds, sparked mass panic? Well, Belgium faced something similar in 2006. RTBF, the French public broadcaster, aired a made-up news report that claimed that Flanders, the northern region, had declared independence. They even added images of jubilant crowds and grainy footage of the royal family supposedly fleeing to make it more believable. Panic ensued. Phone lines were overloaded, and embassies battled for answers. After a tense 30 minutes, RTBF revealed that it was a hoax designed to do nothing more than spark debate about Flemish independence ahead of elections. 16. The Voice during Queen Elizabeth's funeral. Millions tuned in for Queen Elizabeth II's somber funeral in 2022, but during ITV's live broadcast, an eerie interruption caused a lot of raised eyebrows and WTFs. As the camera focused on the Queen's hearse, a disembodied voice whispered, "Death is irreversible. She's trapped," and cut off.
The death is irreversible, and the fact that she's trapped.
As you can see.
Social media exploded. Presenter Tom Bradby, visibly shaken, even paused his commentary. Many of those who heard it are convinced that the voice sounded a lot like that of the late Princess Diana. 15. The Playboy channel's religious message. On September 6, 1987, fans tuning into the Playboy channel for the Three Daughters movie got a whole lot more than they expected. Instead of their late-night entertainment, a text message flashed on the screen quoting Bible verses from Exodus and Matthew. "Thus saith the Lord thy God, remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. Repent, the kingdom of heaven is at hand." Investigators traced the technical fingerprints in the transmission back to CBN equipment and one Thomas Haney, an employee of the Christian Broadcasting Network. Haney was convicted on 2 counts related to the interference and sentenced to 3 years of probation, a $1,000 fine, and 150 hours of community service. 14. Samuel J. Seymour's secret. In 1956, a man named Samuel J. Seymour made television history. At 95, he became one of the oldest people to appear on a game show. But it wasn't just his age that had viewers glued to their seats. Seymour's secret, slowly revealed on a program called I've Got a Secret, showed that he was the last living link to one of America's darkest moments, the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln. With a nervous chuckle, Seymour recounted witnessing the event at Ford's Theater in 1865 when he was just 5 years old. As the weight of his words sank in, host Gary Moore presented a newspaper article from that very year corroborating Seymour's story. 13. The Dutch TV presenters. If you've ever wondered just how far TV personalities will go for ratings, well, I have the answer. Pretty damn far. In 2012, a Dutch game show called Poefkoningen, or Guinea Pigs, took a stomach-churning turn. Known for pushing boundaries, hosts Dennis Storm and Valerio Zeno underwent surgery to remove pieces of their own flesh. The meat was frozen and thawed to be consumed during the live broadcast. Yep, they had a chef cook and serve it to them. The hosts, eerily calm, even took bites. Their stunt sparked considerable outrage, causing many to debate how ethical pushing boundaries is in live broadcasts. And you know what? You've made it this far, so why not like, share, comment, and subscribe? I mean, it really helps the channel so we can keep making amazing content for you. And don't forget to check out our socials. 12. Richard Belzer and Hulk Hogan. In March 1985, days before the iconic WrestleMania 1, Hulk Hogan and Mr. T appeared on Richard Belzer's Hot Properties. The studio was chock full of children. During the interview, Hogan put Belzer in a front shin lock, but the stunt backfired. Belzer went limp, and the audience watched in horror as he hit the floor head first. With blood trickling, Belzer, remarkably composed upon waking, salvaged the broadcast and took them to break. He did not return and was taken for medical attention, which included a bunch of stitches. Belzer eventually ended up suing Hogan for millions, and WrestleMania went on to become legendary. 11. The Vietnam War Draft Lottery. At the end of the turbulent 60s, the Vietnam War cast a long shadow over America. It wasn't just the nightly news reports or the distant rumble of conflict. It was a constant gnawing fear that slithered into everyday life. Then, in December 1969, a new terror crept in. The draft lottery. A morbid lottery played live on television. Millions of men across the country tuned in, a collective dread gripping them as the announcer's voice echoed through their living rooms. Over 2.2 million would be called. Thousands would never return. 10. The Airport Lady. In 2016, a routine interview at Copenhagen Airport took a decidedly creepy turn. A TV2 SportsCenter reporter was chatting with a passenger while the luggage carousels rolled on behind them. In the background, a woman with a bright pink suitcase stood waiting. One moment she was there, the next, nothing. She was gone, vanished into thin air. The footage, captured by the rolling camera, showed no cuts or edits, and the reporter, oblivious to the unfolding mystery, continued the interview. Online, the clip went viral. It might have been nothing more than a well-timed body blocked by another passenger or a lighting anomaly, but it ended up firmly in the realm of the conspiracy theorists. 9. Benjamin Bennett. In the bizarre world of YouTube performance art, Benjamin Bennett reigns supreme. Since 2014, he's captivated, and creeped out, audiences with his Sitting and Smiling series. The concept is simple. Bennett sits, smiles, and stares for 4 hours straight. No talking, no fidgeting. Just a grin that stretches across his face like a weird carnival mask. His minimalist marathons have racked up over 31 million views and a dedicated fan base, or maybe a cult following. But what exactly is Bennett trying to achieve? Is art a social experiment gone wrong? The silence is deafening, and the lack of explanation only adds to the creepiness. 8. The Twitch Robbery. In 2014, Nikki Elise, better known to her fans as Sajidine, was streaming her usual game of Dota 2 from her Arizona home. Everything seemed normal, until it wasn't. Shouts and commotion erupted from another room, pulling Nikki's attention away from the game. Without a moment's hesitation, she vanished from the camera's view. The silence that followed was deafening. Then, terrifying commands pierced the air. "On the ground now! Don't move!" They ransacked the place before one of the figures plunged the room into darkness. The webcam flickered and died, leaving viewers in a horrifying silence. The entire ordeal, a dreadful glimpse into a real-life nightmare, was later circulated online. 7. The Alien Lights over Milwaukee. In 2018, a tower camera from WITI in Milwaukee captured a mysterious sight that went viral online. At around 4:43 a.m., viewers saw an unusual object moving across the sky. As the clip made it to the internet, everyone was sure we had finally convincing footage of aliens. Although WITI initially explained the UFO's movements as seagulls, keen-eyed viewers noted that they didn't match the graceful glide of a seagull. The video took flight on forums like Reddit, shared by everyone from weather nerds to stargazers. And to add fuel to the fire, WITI's cameras caught something similar the very next morning. 6. A deadly crash. In 2017, a seemingly innocent Facebook Live video captured a young woman's death. Nicole Barabasova, in her early 20s, filmed from the passenger seat of a Volkswagen speeding through Obranitz, Czech Republic. Her laughter filled the car as the camera captured the blur of the passing landscape. But her laughter turned into a terrified yelp as the car collided with a barrier. The camera kept rolling for the viewers, showing the chaos inside as the car flipped over. It continued to capture the eerie silence after the crash, broken only by the relentless sound of the windshield wipers. Emergency responders eventually arrived, but it was too late. Nicole did not survive the crash. 5. The Contestant. If you've seen the Hulu documentary The Contestant, well, you'll be familiar with the haunting story of Japanese comedian Tomoaki Hamatsu, known as Nasubi, who found himself in the middle of a twisted reality TV stunt in the late 90s. Nasubi took part in Susunu Denpa Shonen, where he was pushed into a brutal challenge called A Life in Prizes. The premise was cruelly simple. Confined to a small apartment, Nasubi had to survive solely on winnings from magazine sweepstakes until he reached 1 million yen. What followed was brutal. From eating dog food to enduring malnourishment and psychological torment, every moment of Nasubi's struggle was manipulated into televised entertainment. Producers had no qualms with blurring the lines between torture and reality TV, all under the guise of entertainment. 4. The Rishi Sunak color-changing briefcase. In 2020, the internet was thrown into a frenzy when then UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's budget briefcase underwent a magical color change during a live TV broadcast. The peculiar incident was captured by Sky News as Sunak walked along the pavement holding the folder in his right hand. Initially red, the briefcase mysteriously transformed to green as Sunak passed behind a parked car. The perplexing moment quickly went viral, prompting a flurry of tweets and comments. Owen Jones, among others, voiced the collective bewilderment, tweeting, "Unless someone can convincingly explain why his folder suddenly changes color, none of us will ever truly be at peace." 3. Czech TV's Panorama prank. On June 17, 2007, Czech television's usual peaceful Sunday morning broadcast took an unexpected turn during the Panorama program, known for its scenic shots of Černé Doly and Krkonoše and other beautiful spots. On that day, a live camera feed from Černé Doly and Krkonoše, usually showing picturesque landscapes, was hijacked by a group of hackers who, instead of the usual views, added a CGI depiction of a small nuclear explosion to the feed. They even went so far as to add white noise to their hack, leaving the poor viewers in a state of shock. The incident sparked a lot of anger and prompted Czech television to take legal action against the perpetrators. 2. The Possessed Doll. Back in 2017, a couple appeared on ITV's This Morning to share their eerie experiences after purchasing a China doll from a thrift shop. During the interview, the woman admitted, "I don't even want to touch the doll," while her husband revealed that he had mysteriously received scratches on his arms and legs. To make things even creepier, their fire alarm would go off without any reason. The hosts were skeptical, but viewers at home noticed something unsettling. The doll started to rock in its chair all on its own. A few weeks later, the doll made another appearance on the show with her new owner, who suffered from, you guessed it, fire alarms and a host of unexplainable scratches and bruises. 1. The Ghost in Cagayan De Oro. Just recently, in 2024, a man in the Philippines had a late-night bike ride that took a terrifying turn. On March 2nd, Carl Dagus and his friends rode their bikes home from a friend's house when they encountered something bizarre. A ghostly figure suddenly darted past Carl's bike, seemingly colliding with it before disappearing into the thin air. A ghostly figure suddenly darted past Carl's bike, seemingly colliding with it before disappearing into thin air. Despite the obvious collision, no pedestrian could be found. Adding to the mystery, when they reviewed the footage later, they noticed that the figure had no identifiable face. Given these strange details, Carl couldn't help but suspect that he had actually encountered a ghost, and people are agreeing with him. To date, nobody has come forward to identify themselves as the mysterious figure, and authorities haven't confirmed any reports of a person being hit by a bike at the scene. Well, that was enough to send shivers down my spine. And let me know in the comments below if you've ever encountered anything strange during a live stream you were watching. And if you were a fan of today's list and would like to see more, feel free to click on this link right here to watch our video on 25 of the most bizarre urban legends from around the world. Trust me, it's a good one.